Hey guys, it's Georgia here, and today I'm going to be doing the Sims 4 Random Genetics Challenge. I know I'm a bit late to this game, but I'm a new YouTuber, so I thought I would do it. And if you don't know how this works, you get a male and female, and you randomize each feature, and then you make a child, and then you can spruce up, their hair and eyebrows, but you got to leave their facial features and clothes and whatever. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, I don't know why it's on body, let's press that. I'm just going to go straight to the face. So, head shape, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm not sure what that did. 1, 2, 3, eyebrows. Ooh, okay, eyebrows a bit weird. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, her nose is weird. Cheeks, 1, 2, 3. Jaw, 1, 2, 3. Mouth, 1, 2, 3. Chin, 1, 2, 3. Take her hair off and do ears. 1, 2, 3. And hair, 1, 2, 3. Great, we got a broken one. I'm just going to randomize it once more. Okay, good. Can't randomize the makeup or anything. Okay. Now let's do body. 1, 2, 3. Sure, I'll close. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. Yep, yoga pants, that's fine. 1, 2, 3. Okay, looks like a very sporty person. Right, let's do name. I can't actually see it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. 3. Okay, I have no idea what her name is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, okay, that's her name. Okay, so I'm just gonna call her Rebecca. This is Rebecca. And you sim. Yep, a boy. And get that ridiculous hat off. And let's start. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice eyes actually. A bit Chinese, but that's okay. Cheeks, 1, 2, 3. I just did cheeks, we need the jaw. Take the beard off and do jaw. 1, 2, 3. Lips, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, God. Chin, 1, 2, 3. Did I do ears? I have no idea, I'm just going to do them again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, of course we get those. Just do facial hair. 1, 2, 3. Interesting facial hair. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Okay. Body. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's very muscly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, we've got, the sporty and then the boots, which is interesting. Okay. Now we're going to add a sim, play with going into genetics. We're going to make a female. We're going to randomize this once and then we're going to age her up. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now age her up. Okay. Alright, so she's got her dad's eyes. We can change her eyebrows, which is good. My favorite eyebrows are up here. But, she's got good ears. Her lips are okay. Now I'm going to go spruce her up. Yeah, I'll bring you along. I might be a bit slow, but let's see what hair will suit her. I like all of my custom contents, mostly. I really like this one. I'm not really sure, I don't really want to go for, the white, she looks a bit like grandma with grey hair, so I'll go into blonde because that's her dad's hair. You know, kind of want to keep them the same a bit. Eyebrows blonde, so I really like that hair. I also like this one. That one's okay, I guess. That one's really pretty. I think I like this one. Yeah, I think I like that one. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to go in with her clothes. I really like this t-shirt in the purple, I think. The black looks quite cool as well. I really like this t-shirt. This one's new. I like that colour. Quite pretty. The red. I think I'm going to go in with the red. I think that's quite cool. I also got these the other day. They're also quite cool. That matches. That's cool. And then shoes. I just got heaps of like high heels and whatever. But family's quite sporty, and I feel like these pants kind of match with the whole thing going on. But I think I'll just put them in those sandals in black because they match pants. Okay, I'm just going into makeup. I don't want to put too much on her, but you know, I'll definitely give her some eyelashes. I only have 3 at the moment. They're quite big. The bottom lashes are quite big. Not really sure. I think I'll just give her those, I guess. No, actually, I'll give you those. Yeah, sure. Why not? I'll give you some. Let's give you the orange one. Yeah, and some. Yeah. She looks pretty cool. That's it. And we'll give her a name, even though I can't see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is our final result, and I think she came out really cool. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of my Sims 4 Random Genetics Challenge, and stay tuned till the next week, I guess, Sunday or Saturday, and yeah, Georgia Ann is out.